Good morning, everybody. This is Kevin Pryfickle from the Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. I'd like to show you this beautiful van today. This is a 2018 GMC Explorer 9-passenger van. The exterior color I always call is doeskin. I don't know exactly if that's the right name for it, but sure sounds nice. To see this van and every other van that we have also on our website, please visit paulsherryconversionvans.com. You can see up to 50 different pictures. This is an Explorer, which is one of the nicer conversion vans. They do not cut corners. They make a very, very, very nice van. Walk around the outside. I don't see any blemishes. I don't see anything. I see a little bit of a good old cold winter. That's just ice that accumulated running down from the windows. Tires are in good shape. Wheels aren't all dilapidated. These do have a rear hitch. Looks like it does have a 4-pin and 7-pin wiring underneath there also. Does have the rear backup sensors.
It's like crowdfunding before it was cool.
This, of course, will have
$12 a month, our best gift.
the power rear sofa in the back. You can see that. Goes down. It's a pretty nice big size sofa. It's a 3-piece sofa, which is nice if you need to lounge, relax a little bit, pull over. These are nice not only just for traveling, but also if you need to pull over and take a little break, or you have a sleeping child. The vehicle is very clean. I don't have any smoke smell or any other kind of smell. It does have a built-in vacuum back here also. These also have all the shades that go up, the nice soft shades, which gives you a whole lot more privacy. That is on all the windows. And we'll come around this side here, also look for any kind of overall, this van is very, very, very shape. A little dirty, but that is to be expected on a cold Ohio February. One of the things about our vans here at Paul Sherry, we do offer competitive financing. We do specialize in these vans, and I do see a little mark right here I wanted to show you. That might be able to be buffed out a little bit. There's a little black mark right there. That's about the only thing I really see on the van. But we do specialize in these vans. We've been in the van conversion business since the 80s. Let's open this up a little bit. This does have, back here a little bit. Again, it's 9-passenger. You got 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, 2 in the, I guess, the second middle, and then, of course, we're going to have the rear bench. This has a very nice sound system. It does have the Vista windows up the top, which is nice. Gives you a little bit of extra daylight, a little more light. Again, does have all the soft shade blinds and all these. This van also is on the quick release system. So the nice thing about that is quick release on the second and the third row. So if you need to take these seats out, maybe you need to bring home something from the garden store, or you're buying a big TV or something like that and won't fit in the back, these seats can be taken out very quickly. One person can typically do that. Crawl through the van here a little bit. Again, the van's very clean. Carpet's not all stained. Needs a good vacuum. Has a good sound system. Cup holders throughout also. Let me kind of turn around here and show you the, does have the nice built-in 29-inch Samsung TV. This also has all the nice lighting up top. Does have an extra little window back here also, which is nice too. Gives you a little bit more convenience, a little more daylight. These do have a 120 watt power inverter too. Complete charging system here, so if rear occupants, kids, grandkids, or yourself need to charge your phone, a gaming system, whatever you need to charge, you're good to go there. The front seats here do offer power. They are also heated seats. You have an aftermarket Kenwood radio. Again, plenty of HDMI inputs. Of course, you also have Bluetooth for your phone. Front and rear climate control. Got the rear accent lighting we talked about. And as far as all the safety things, this van has also I also forgot to mention this also has OnStar with 4G Wi-Fi hotspot. Very nice, very sharp, clean van. If you have any questions on this van or any van you have, please reach out to us again at paulsherryconversionvans.com. Or you can call me at 937-778-0830. Again, my name is Kevin Prideful. I appreciate if you ask for me. We do accept trade-ins also on all vehicles. And again, ask for me, Kevin, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. If you have any questions, please reach out to me again. Other than that, thank you for the opportunity, and as always, have a beautiful day. Bye now.